All right, here's case 2 of our multiplication rule with probability. And again, the key word is "and" that tells us we're going to be using multiplication. Okay, so let's look at the second case, and that is when we're talking about independent events. Okay, in other words, they depend on each other, or they have a cause and effect relation between what happens first and second. All right, so the second depends on what happens the first time, like you say, and here's the formula. So the probability of A and B in that order equals probability of A times probability of B given A, which is how we read that, okay? You read that as B given that A, or assuming A has already happened, all right? So again, these are dependent. Notice we only have one group to pick from here. So we're going to be picking from the same group each time. So if A gets picked, that's going to have an effect on whether or not, or the chance of B getting picked after that, all right? So then let's say we want to, what's the probability of picking a blue and then picking a yellow after that? And sometimes they'll say without replacement is the key, that we're going to be picking from the same group, and we're not going to put the blue back, assuming we picked it the first time around, okay? So the probability of blue is 1/4, okay? We look up here, but yeah, 1/4 of the original grouping is blue, or 3 out of 12. But then we're assuming that one's been picked, so notice it's not there. And now what's the probability of getting a yellow given blue was picked? Okay, so that's how we read this again. This is yellow given blue was the previous event and did happen. So visually we can see yellow got 3, we have 3 yellows there. Out of the 11 we have to pick from. So 3 over 11 is the probability of, so that's our adjusted probability based on the fact that blue would have happened first, okay? So then we do the calculation, we get 6.82% chance of that happening.